I'm Jason Stimis with Stimis Enterprises. Come take a look at our project. This is our project. It was a 14 by 14 sunroom. There was a salt treated deck here before. Originally we were going to just redo the deck. Our customer decided that they wanted something a little more useful, a little more functional, and decided to go with a 3 seasons type room. And this is what we designed and built for them. Used all VERSATEX composite PVC because we love the material. It's very durable, it's very easy to work with, and they have very many different innovative profiles. We like using their vented PVC, so you don't have to use different types of materials, so everything on this exterior could be PVC, and we were able to utilize a lot of their sheet good material. On this gable end, we used their VERSATEX, the WP4 profile, the V-groove side out to kind of give it the old-fashioned siding look. This was all a salt-treated deck, and it had lived its life only about 10 or 12 years. And you like to use the VERSATEX PVC because of their lifetime warranty, and it's a great product. It's really easy to work with. It's much more dense than the rest of the PVCs out there, and you can just tell the purity by the color. It's much better to work with.